Hey coders, so basically in today's POTD we have a problem, longest consecutive subsequence. So basically it is a medium level problem, and as a problem given here, given an array R of non-negative integers, find the length of the longest subsequence such that element in the subsequence are consecutive integers. The consecutive integers, the consecutive numbers can be in any order. Okay, so in the given problem we have to check that whether the number is like consecutive. We need to find the longest consecutive subsequence. Like if we're talking about the examples here, so in the example first, as we can say, like here the elements are like 2, 6, 1, 9, 4, 5, 3. So if we are going to make consecutive uh, sub subsequence, then how we can actually getting like 1, 2, 3. So first of all we need to sort it. Okay, let's suppose first of all I'm sorting this. So sort array dot begin, then array dot end. Once I've sorted this thing, I'm getting it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then after 6, this one is 7. Then directly 9 is coming. So the longest subsequence we can say it is like from 1 to 6. So we have counting is 6. Okay. So here we have to return the count. So for that we have like initialize one variable whose name is like count, and I am going to declare here my count as 1, because as we can see here, um, here the consecutive numbers are like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and here our counting is all like also 6. But if we like while traversing here 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, so there are actually only 5 steps are there. Okay, here we are counting only for just 5 times. So here we have to return for 6, so that's why we are actually starting my count as 1. And after that what we have to do, here I need to traverse inside the array. Int isolation array dot size, then I plus plus. Then for finding that whether the array's elements are like sequence or not, so for that what I have to do, I need to check the second element, whether it if I'm subtracting my first element from the second element, and if it is like equal to 1, that means there's no too much differences like that. Okay, there's only differences of 1, then we consider it is a subsequence. Okay, it is a basically consecutive subsequence, otherwise it is not getting any subsequence. Okay, so if array of I plus 1, and if you're subtracting array of I, okay, and let's suppose it is equal to 1, that means yeah, there's no any gap. Okay, then what we have to do, here we can simply say that here we have to increment our count plus plus. Okay, and along with that what we have to do, here we have to like initialize one more variable, let's say int count 1, which is initialized with 1, and then after that I have to like compare with these two values. That means here I need to do what, count 1 is equal to, here I need to take a maximum of count and count 1. Okay, then after that once it will be done, this is the basically approach here. Now else if we can set if both are like equal, else if both are equal, that means array of I plus 1 is equal to array of I, then we need to skip it. So for skipping this value we need to simply continue, or else we can simply say that count plus plus count is equal to 1. Okay, now finally we need to return max of either count or count 1. Okay, let's try to compile and run. So yeah, compilation is complete. Let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.